Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Irresistible Blooms suite of products. So we have the stamp set, Irresistible Blooms. The dies are also called Irresistible Blooms. These are some cute dies. And the designer series paper is the Hello Irresistible. And as you can see, I've already chopped into it. And I have a little baggie here full of flowers and leaves that you can die cut straight from the designer series paper. And I'm also going to be using the loose frosted dots, although these have sold out. But since I have them and they go with this suite of products, I'm going to go ahead and use them until I use them up. Okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First, we have our April paper pumpkin kit, all the little themes. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that will come with a free box organizer for your little stamping spots that you get in your kits every month, okay? There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next up, we have our March 2023 host code special. This is from Honeybee Stampin' Hive only. When you place an order of $100 or more and you use this host code, I'm going to send you one of these mystery boxes for free. The mystery box is filled with $200 plus or minus of new and used retired Stampin' Up products, okay? If your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on that, but you will still qualify to get your free mystery box. All right? That is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. And I'm going to be using the March 2023 sketch sheet load of cards sketch from Call Me Crafty Owl. I will have a link in the description box on how you can get this free PDF from her. Okay, so let's get started. First, we have a card base of Flirty Flamingo cut at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to use our bone folder to crease that down. We have some basic white, and we have 2 pieces of the basic white here. As you can see, these strips here, and then a bunch of designer series paper that I have cut to the measurements that Crafty Owl gives us in her sheet load, and I've die cut some embellishments from the designer series paper using the dies. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started putting this together. So I'm gonna get my Tombow liquid glue, and I'm gonna glue on my designer paper to the basic white layer. And we're going to leave a even border on 3 sides with this. So we're going to go like this. Try to get it evenly lined up here. Then we're going to place, we have 3 little panels, and we're going to try to place these, let me see, and we're going to place them going down in size. Oh my goodness. There are 3 different size panels, and we just want to place them gradually going down. So we're going to put the largest one here. Oops. And we want to get this lined up with this on the edge, but have the same amount of border at the top here. So I need to kind of work quickly. So just in case I need to move something and line it up. And I should have done the outside one first. Let me see. Whoops. Can't hold on to my paper. Okay, so we want to line this one up about right there. Up a little higher. This is just going to give me some time to get everything straight and evenly placed here. Just about like that. Okay. Then we're going to take our white strip here and we're going to stamp on it. So I have some Flirty Flamingo ink. And we're going to stamp on it the sentiment, I like you, from our stamp set. I'm going to put it over to the left-hand side. Not all the way, but just leaving a little bit of space over there. Okay, close up our ink so we don't make a mess. And next we're going to glue this down to our white panel layer here. Going right across right here, just like this. And then we're going to add this to our card base. Okay, and we're just going to center this right onto the card base, just like that. Try to get it straight. Okay, so then I'm going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals for our flower here. I'm just going to use a few. We're going to pop these on the leaves with glue. And I'm going to put this right here just like that. I don't want to cover my words. Then I'm going to just softly set this down right there and see how these leaves can go. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a little glue on the back of this one, because we have to make sure it goes all the way under and it does not hang off the side of our card. If I can lift this up, just like that. And we'll press it down. Then I'm going to put 2 little dots of glue right here. How about let's do 3? I'll put all my embellishments right there. Where did I set those embellishments? Oh, here they go. And we're going to get our Take Your Pick tool. And we are going to get 3 of the yellow. They have different sizes, so I want to try to get one in all the sizes. Oh, come on, stay down. Then there's a teeny tiny one in here. I think this one right there. We're going to put that one right here. Just like that. And this card is done. Isn't that cute? I haven't decorated the inside, but I will get something done to it. But isn't that cute? And I've done it in another color with the Daffodil Delight as the background for the base. And I used a different strip of the Designer Series paper for the bottom. But isn't that cute? And I used the pink frosted dots on that one. But that is our project for today. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.